Welcome to Vision Expenses, Managing Lines in an Expense Report. In this video, we will look at adding, copying, and deleting expense report lines. There are multiple ways to add lines to an expense report. For example, if you travel to multiple locations around the state to visit field offices, you can use the Quick Fill option to add lines for the same expense type. Click on the Quick Fill hyperlink. The Quick Fill window opens. Enter a range of dates that you want to add the expense line for. Scroll down to the expense type you want. We will select in miles full, and we'll want to check the all days box because we want to add a line for each of the dates in the range we set above, and then click OK. You return to the expense report. You will see that 3 lines for in miles full have been added, one for each date in the range we defined in the Quick Fill window. You will have to go in and enter details for each line, but this is a way to add multiple lines very quickly. Deleting lines in an expense report is as easy as clicking on the minus icon on each line you want to delete. The Delete Confirmation window opens. You can select the Do Not Show This Confirmation Again box if you are deleting multiple lines. Click OK, and we'll delete another line. We'll finish entering details for the remaining expense line. To add a new line, simply click on the plus icon. A new expense line with the same expense date is added. We'll change the date to the next day in the week. Select in miles full. Enter a description. Enter an originating location. You'll note that when we copied the line in, Burlington was selected as the destination location. We'll need to change that. And enter the miles. A third way to add lines to an expense report is to go to the Actions menu, select Copy Expense Lines, and click on the Go button. The Copy Expense Lines window opens. You can copy lines to a single date or a range of dates. In this example, we traveled back to Burlington on Thursday. So we want to pick that date, and then the expense line that we want to copy, which was the first one when we traveled to Burlington, and click on OK. A third line has been added to the report with all the details from the copy line carried over except the date. These are some ways to manage lines in expense reports. To get help while working in Vision, visit our webpage at finance.vermont.gov for manuals, job aids, how-to guides, and more. If you can't find what you need there, email the help desk at vision.finhelpdesk@vermont.gov or call the help desk directly at 802-828-6700 and select option 2.